after he was served an arrest warrant from the International Criminal Court. The former president was arrested upon his arrival at the Ninoy Aquino International.
I'm a citizen of this country, a former president, and you show me a piece of paper and you're asking me to go with you?
Video clips collected during the incident.
Good morning, Raul po. Ano pong, sir, give me plano lang.
Ano sir, salubungin lang namin sir.
Yung warrant sir, si-serve nyo.
Sir, may taga-PCTC, may taga-Interpol.
Interpol.
Yes sir.
So kayo ang lead, sir?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Kumusta kasi sir?
Hindi mo pwedeng...
Sige sir.
Warrant. So, you will just have to pay. Kung hindi ako papayag, kung kakampi ka dyan sa mga puti, you better go back to them and have the legal... I am a citizen of this country, a former president, and you show me a piece of paper and you're asking me to go with you? That is a serious illegal detention.
And I want to ask you sir, if you understand these rights.
Of course, coming from you, it's very clear.
Now that you're asking sir for the basis of the warrant, the ICC had issued a warrant pursuant to Article 25(3)(a) of the statute for crimes against humanity and pursuant to Article 7(1)(a) of the same statute for murder sir.
Buhay ko sir. Buhay ko sir.
Pagdating na namin ng mga gamot na kailangan.
Sir, this is a police operation. Hindi ko naman sir, ulitin natin ulit sir. Sandali muna. Back to square one. Are you saying I place the former president under arrest?
Daniel matanda pa.
The issue sir is for you to choose 3 people to accompany PR. May pass dyan. And charter flight.
Chartered flight from... So we need to know bringing our president. Sir, we need to know this information where you are bringing.
Wala sa pig-grade ko yung
Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin.
Just invoke Article 59. Bakit hindi yan magawa-gawa? That's precisely the point that I'm saying. That's precisely the right to counsel is something that has to be observed and respected. Tanungin ko kayo, anong kasalanan ko? Matanong nga. Kayo, nandito lang kayo lahat. Ikaw, tanungin kita, anong kasalanan ko?
Hihilain ko yan. Ako maniwala ka, hihilain ko yan. Kakapag manas. Pero hihilain ko yan. Is that our intention?
You have to kill me to bring me to Hague. Ang anak mo pupunta dito.
Yes sir, hindi pa pasukin sir.
Hindi ninyo, ikaw,
Yes sir.
hindi mo
Upon my order.
hindi mo pinapasok.
Yes sir, upon my order sir.
Ang sabi ko, ang abogado ko, ang anak ko na babae.
They can visit you at your detention center.
what the changes in India's population and the differential growth rates.
This city has emerged.
We have a very special guest on the record.
The interview.
The role that the US side played at that point of time.
पूरी दुनिया की नजर.
Assume my phone is tapped. I can probably say hello to Mr. Modi.
आपके भारत पर है.
Episode of Know Your Candidate.
The rising confidence of India under Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Communist China is the greatest threat.
There will come a day that we will see far more radical extremist.
I'm still a little perplexed by why we.
Your daily dose of news from India and across the world. Cutting edge views and analysis. Tune into HT videos. Click on the bell icon to subscribe.